This is a 5-bedroom, 4.5 bathroom house with a 2-car garage and a loft. Today we're in the community Citrus Heights, which is in Riverside, California. We will be viewing Lennar Homes Floral Ridge Residence 3 model home, showcased with optional builder upgrades. Please come join me in this beautiful model house tour. The open floor plan 2-story home measures approximately 3,823 square feet. The great room has high ceilings, recessed lights, ceiling fan, and large windows that really bring the light in. You really notice all the attention to detail Lennar Homes put into designing this gorgeous home. Isn't this flooring lovely? The kitchen has a large center island with pendant lighting, a stainless steel sink, and a breakfast bar, which is great for casual dining or when you just want a quick bite to eat. It also has beautiful countertops, dark cabinets, stunning backsplash, and gorgeous crown molding. It is featured with stainless steel appliances, such as a double oven, microwave, cooktop stove, and a dishwasher. Off the side of the kitchen, there's a hobby room, or since many are working from their house these days, this room would make an excellent home office, with a designated area to quietly study or work. Next to the kitchen, there's direct garage access, which is perfect when you just came home from the grocery store and your hands are full. Another nice feature this model home has is this walk-in pantry. The backyard is absolutely gorgeous. It has a covered patio with a ceiling fan and a cozy fireplace. Look how cute that playhouse is. It has fabulous views of the Riverside Hills that just feel so tranquil and peaceful. And if you're a gardening enthusiast like me, you're probably already thinking of what you would plant first. This was filmed mid-January. Couldn't you just imagine sitting in the backyard right now and enjoying our wonderful Southern California weather? If you're thinking of selling your home in the Southern California area and would like to be featured on this channel, please let me know. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe and click the bell to be notified so you don't miss a thing. The great room has an elegant fireplace, crown molding, and shutters. Isn't the tile on the wall so stunning and unique? If you have a friend who loves model house tours, please share this video with them. And if you want to search for new homes like this, I'll put a link in the description below. Towards the front of the home, there's an appealing side patio, great for gatherings or to curl up with a book and a coffee. The downstairs powder room has a toilet and a pedestal sink. This downstairs bedroom is so nice. It has views to the front yard, a closet, and its own ensuite bathroom, complete with shower, toilet, cabinets, and a sink. Under the staircase, there's a closet with extra storage, which is clever and great for storing holiday decor or cherished items that you otherwise wouldn't want to keep in the garage. If you're enjoying the video so far, please give it a like. It helps our channel and we really appreciate it. Now let's view the upstairs. Aren't these stairs stunning? The loft is so eye-catching. It is surrounded by windows and recessed lighting and would make a great game area as well. This home also includes heating and air conditioning. What's your favorite room so far in this dazzling home? Please leave it in the comments below. The guest bathroom has dual sinks, cabinets, and a water closet with a toilet and a shower in the bathtub. The second bedroom is carpeted, has a window, a closet, and an ensuite bathroom, with a cabinet, sink, and shower in the bathtub. The third bedroom has a ceiling fan, window, a closet, and is also carpeted. The fourth bedroom is carpeted, has windows with blinds, and a closet. The laundry room has washer-dryer hookups, a utility sink, and cabinets for all your supplies. In the hallway, you will find lots of cabinets for storage and linen. The master bedroom, which is also called an owner's suite, is quite impressive. It is situated away from the other bedrooms. It has lots of windows with blinds and a lighting fixture. The upscale ensuite master bathroom has cabinets, a vanity, and dual sinks. It also has a large separate shower, and look at this luxurious oversized bathtub. Another fantastic feature the owner's suite has is this large master walk-in closet. It has lots of room for both winter and summer clothes. There is also a private water closet with a toilet. This home also includes green features, such as dual-pane, energy-efficient Low-E glass windows, water-conserving plumbing fixtures, LED lighting, and a tankless water heater. The Citrus Heights HOA features 8 community parks, with picnic tables, tot lots, barbecue area, and an adult outdoor gym. There are also many pedestrian trails to enjoy the outdoors. If you enjoyed this video, you'll probably like these two as well. And if you're in the Southern California area thinking about buying a house or selling your home, please call me, Susie Valentine, 951-907-4020. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.